So driver, we've been getting a lot of questions about what tools you've been using. Could you let everybody know what you have been using so we can answer some of those questions?
Okay, just to clarify something as well. A lot of my friends call me Driver. It's my last name. My wife just referenced me as that, so like Jason Driver. Okay, we got that cleared up. Now, we've been getting questions about tools and how we're cutting this thing apart, and it's not uncommon to cut fiberglass or aluminum, but the everyday average homeowner doesn't do it all the time. So the thing is, we want people to feel comfortable doing this and to understand how to do it, so that if they're inspired to do such, then we can equip them to do that and succeed. Primary tools that we're using are 7 1/4 inch circular saw, and just using a carbide framing demolition blade made by Diablo, a 4 1/2 inch cordless grinder or a corded grinder, doesn't matter, it's just what I have available. And I use Metabo cutoff wheels. Please don't buy Harbor Freight cutoff wheels. They shatter real easily and it puts you at risk for injury. So spend money on quality cutoff wheels if you're going to use a cutoff tool. Then using trusty Sawzall. This is the tool that gets things done. Like when you can't fit in with a grinder or a circular saw, your vehicle of choice is going to be the Sawzall. And I really like Milwaukee blades. I'm running, this one's called the Wrecker, and it lives up to its name, and it just enjoys eating aluminum. And they have different blades for different jobs, but for the aluminum and the demolition, the Wrecker's a good blade. Also, Lennox makes good blades as well, but those are the primary tools we're going to use. You'll see us grabbing them countless times throughout here because that's the tool to do the job, and you want to fit the right tool to the right job. Otherwise, it'll make it a little more frustrating for you. So just something to be aware of. And also, be comfortable reading a tape measure. Make sure that if you have any doubts or any questions when you're making your final cuts, there's no shame in having somebody double check you, because you want it to be right. And it's okay if you make mistakes. That's going to happen. I could show you plenty of things on here where I've made mistakes, but I'm not going to tell you because I'm a professional. I'm just going to cover it up. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, so thanks for your time. And please, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask us and we'll do our best to answer them. Thank you. Have a good day.